Santosh Kumar. Basically, I'm from Raichur. My last education was MBA. I'm a 2000 passed out. Presently, I'm working with eMart Education as a paid search analyst.
This video session is just a sort of interactive session with you to little bit share certain experience of yours with e-market education, more how your knowledge have been, or what is the experience you have towards digital marketing. How did you find this digital marketing as a career, or whatever you're doing on a day-to-day scenario?
Okay, first I found this eMarket in the website while I'm searching for the course.
Okay.
A lot of difference between the institution which they are offering the course and the content wise. When I for the first time met with Ranjan, he gave a brief description about the digital marketing course. Initially, I thought of go for SEO, PPC as well, but he guided me in the right way that if you, which are the platform is better for me according to my knowledge and my skills. So I started my training with the PPC. So it took me around 2 to 2.5 months. So I pursued my course with a lot of practical with the training theory as well. Ranjan gave us very extensive practical knowledge with this. So once I finished with my course, I'm looking for the job. At the same time, Ranjan only offered me a job. Then I started my career with Ranjan. So from the first day, I started my PPC with 2 accounts. It's a very nice thing because initially we know the theory things. There is a lot of difference between the theory and the practical things when you're working with live projects.
Very true.
Yes. This is a thing when I started initially I know the theory concept. There is a lot of difference between when working with the project. Then Ranjan in the practical wise give me a lot of suggestions how to do the optimization, what are the strategies in the day wise day which we have to adapt on our campaign in the account wise.
Thank you, Santosh. And to share, I think you are doing a wonderful job because from the day we started and today, when you are managing multiple accounts and the type of implementation what you are able to do it, I think it is tremendous because you now know how to approach the campaign, you know how to hit on to the targets, you know when to do what, because when we completed the course, might be we knew how to do the things, but with time, with experience, we also understood what all strategies to be followed. For example, if the client is saying, Santosh, this is what the daily budget should be, this is what the goals you have to achieve. So what are the different conditions or different strategy we have to put in place to achieve that? For example, we will say we will only run during this time, or we'll say during this time we might be more active with this keyword, and during this given particular hours I will try to push this keyword. Might be that is how the audience interacts, and we have to spend this on weekdays than to weekend, and when to really move more strongly with search, when to focus more on search, display, remarketing, and now how the new features that is coming up in Google AdWords we can explore to hit on with the target. I think this is something which you have been more dedicatedly focusing on, and you actually started learning a lot. But I would say from the training, after the training, and today what you're doing, there has been a very good trend happening, because during the training it was more of, yes, we know that we are learning something and we have to hit onto a job. After the training, when we started with the on-job training, then it was more like what all things I can still do it on a day-to-day basis, and there were still challenges. But today when you take it up, I think with less guidance, with less support, out of your interest, your commitment, and knowing that yes, there's a lot of information online, there's a lot of new features coming online, how I myself, without having less of queries and all, I can really take up this further or try to achieve my targets, and show it as a performance of my capability. I think that is something you have done it really good, because I know it well, because I know you from the day one of this course starting. So I think today the responsibility, the way you are taking it up, I think it's very nice, very very. See, to SEO to digital marketing course, or what is that you would really suggest someone as a part of the experience that you have gained in last 4 to 6 months?
See, digital marketing is a huge actually. It's like an ocean. If you can't stick with the only PPC. Initially, you can take it only PPC. If you want to survive yourself in the market, you have to go with the different platforms in the digital market. Initially, you can go with the only PPC or SEO, any individual. So that once you learn We have spent 2 to 3 months. Later, it is very must to go with the digital marketing.
Very nice.
It is in booming, so that the opportunity is very high. So we cannot stick to the particular, because as the days goes on, the trend is going to be changed. The people and the consumer, everyone changing. According to this, a lot of technology and tools are coming. We have to make use of it. That's why the digital marketing is very useful. So that we cannot stick to the one platform. We have to learn all those. It's a combo pack of digital marketing like PPC, SEO, social media, and analytics. Those are all interrelated. So you cannot stick to one PPC. So it's all interrelated, so that you can learn many things. With that, you can do the so many of experiments, so that you can get the result oriented.
Okay.
It has their own the creativity, the work, and the effort. I cannot say that digital marketing goes some other. But one thing I can say, digital marketing is very beautiful. It's a more of creativity, so that you can make yourself creative. So that it is more result oriented, so that you can give your best to the company and yourself.
Very nice, very nice. So thank you, Santosh, for sharing these details. I'm sure that the people who will be watching these videos, they'll surely find it useful,
Yes.
informative,
Because,
and
if someone posting only PPC or ACO, don't be stick to the particular courses. Go to all the digital marketing platforms, so that learn yourself and share your knowledge with the different companies, so that you can survive as well, and give something to value added to your company as well.
very clear for you in the future. Thank you very much.